Guruji, please tell us about the significance of the 9 nights of Navratri. What we can do to get a better spiritual experience during Navratri.
You know, Ratri word means that which gives you deep rest. Deep rest or relief from three things, three tapas. Tapa means the three types of fire, three botherations. The physical, the subtle, and the causal. The three type of botheration are the bhautik, the worldly botheration, Adi Daivik, the divine one, and then from the soul, botherations of the soul. All these three botherations are relieved by a deep rest. A rest that can relieve you from all these three botherations. So it's a time of prayer and rejuvenation. You know, a child is born in 9 months. It takes 9 months for a child to get formed and be born. So these 9 days are like coming out of mother's womb once again, having a new birth. And first 3 days are dedicated to Tamogun, inertia, the second 3 days Rajogun, the last 3 days Satogun. The 3 gunas that we all possess, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. And victory over all the gunas and being centered and celebrating life. Final day is called the Victory Day, Vijayadashmi. So in all these 9 days, the 10 days, we virtually do meditations. I know best way to celebrate is you people usually fast and pray. You can have and then feast in the end. Fasting always goes with the feasting. So I wouldn't recommend you all to fast without any food at all. You can have limited, eat less. Suppose if you are eating one whole meal, you can cut down to half, a quarter, like that. And don't keep munching all day. Usually people have the habit of popping up all the munches the whole day, now and then, here and there. Don't do that, you know. And don't indulge in any other sensory activities of any other senses, giving deep rest to all the 5 senses. No touching, no watching the movie, not going for whatever fragrance and all that, you know, not listening to music all the time with what is that? iPod. As soon as we wake up, we turn the radio on or put on the iPod and put the ear. Even when we are jogging, we are listening to something. So the mind is constantly bombarded by sound, by music. And these are the days when you don't bombard your system with so much music. There will be chanting here for some time. The last day when there will be yajnas, of course, you can just sit and bask in the chanting. Take bath. It's like mantra. It's called mantra snana. Means bathing in the mantras. The mantras are being chanted. You just sit in meditation and bathe in that vibration. That is good. Every day there will be a little bit time, an hour or so, mantra chanting. Other than that, it is good to refrain from overeating, over listening to music or watching television or any type of activity which stimulates your system. It's a time to calm them down. Yeah? And in the last day, of course, you end up in celebrations. Emotionally charged, spiritually charged, intellectually uplifted. it's time to get all these things done. Feel uplifted intellectually.